What if I told you going out and cleaning up the environment can be the most exciting part of your day? Well, it can be, and I will show you how. And don't get me wrong, if you're one of the guys out there on foot with a trash bag in your hand, you're better than me because you're doing it for the good that it is. I, on the other hand, am very easily bored, so I need to spice up my trash collection runs. What you're looking at is my one-wheel mounted trash can belt system, and in this video I will show you how easy it is to make. The belt system consists of two parts, the belt itself and the trash can that is easily attached. Of course you will need your trusty grabber. I prefer the foldable design. This particular trash can has a removable top, which I modified slightly, as well as a simple holster for the grabber. All in all, it is a very simple design. I added some magnets to the removable lid so it stays put and snaps on quickly. I screwed in a small piece of wood to the trash can to which a quick release camera mount is attached. The belt itself is an old Soviet leather belt to which I bolted on a foot-long piece of metal where the camera mount is bolted onto. No special tools needed, just a couple of bolts and screws. The trash can be removed easily, so emptying the trash is easy once the bin is full. Attaching it is also a breeze. The mount can be tightened so the trash can is nice and snug so that when you're moving around on your one wheel or whatever it may be, nothing falls loose. And that's pretty much it. This is a very simple piece of kit to make, so you can get out there and have fun, collect the trash, help the planet, and enjoy yourself. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to stick around, throw me a sub. I would appreciate a like. And I'm going to start doing some streams with this setup soon, so join me for my streams and we can have adventures together. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.